morning. Thank you for checking out my little video. Today I just want to share with you how easy it is to propagate herbs and other plants. One of them that's super easy is peppermint, and I do the same thing with oregano and a lot of other plants. So peppermint, I just cut off some of the little branches, really anything that was overgrowing my peppermint plant. And I put these little things in a glass of water maybe a week ago, and see all the pretty little roots they have grown. They smell so good. It's beautiful. So really simple to kind of grow your own little backyard nursery and either make little gifts or sell them, make some extra money. It's not that easy nowadays. So what I did, I just took some paper cups here, and those were free. I like to do stuff free. You can also use all kinds of things, like from my soy milk. I just cut off the bottom. That's the same thing as like a paper cup. Punch a hole in the bottom, add a little bit of dirt to it, and then just grab your little plants that have started rooting already and set them in the dirt. Be careful when you have longer roots. I like to wrap them around a little bit so they will all go in the dirt and not stick out on the bottom and dry out. Cover it up, and I'll add a little bit more dirt to it to completely cover that up. So I will put these here, maybe 2 or 3 of them in one cup. These roots are not quite as big, but that's okay. Just dig a little hole in there, put that plant in there, make sure the roots are covered. So I put 2 or 3 of them together, and then they'll go on Facebook Market. I'll make a couple of dollars. I mean, that's better than not making a couple of dollars. And it really didn't cost me much at all. Honestly, it didn't cost me anything besides a few pennies of dirt. And if you know how to do it, then you can even find dirt for free, especially on Facebook Market. There are always those bartering sites where you can either barter with other people or just pick up what they're giving away for free. You'd be surprised how many people give away dirt for free. Don't forget to write on the cup what's in it, especially if you're doing lots of different things like I am. And that's it. Make sure you water it every day, especially in the beginning, and give it some sun. Peppermint is pretty easy to grow. They take over. Don't put them in your vegetable garden or in your flower bed. They will literally try to outgrow everything else. So that's it. And like I said, you can do that with other plants as well. First couple of days they really want to have some water. They don't want to be in dry soil. After that, you can kind of forget about peppermint. Make sure that you at least water them a couple times a week. Other than that, you don't have to do a whole lot with peppermint. And wish you good luck and enjoy. I hope you liked my little video. Like, share, and subscribe. Thank you.